Welcome to the cutting-edge world of edge computing, where data processing moves closer to the source. Edge computing is a paradigm that shifts data processing from centralized cloud servers to local devices at the edge of the network. In traditional cloud computing, data from devices is sent to a centralized cloud for processing. But with edge computing, data is processed on the device itself or on a nearby edge server. This approach significantly reduces latency, as data doesn't need to travel long distances to be processed. This is crucial for applications requiring real-time responses, such as autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and IoT devices. Imagine a smart traffic system that adjusts in real time based on vehicle flow, or an autonomous car making split-second decisions. These scenarios rely on the low-latency, high-speed processing power of edge computing. Edge computing also enhances reliability. By processing data locally, edge devices can continue to function even if the connection to the central cloud is slow or temporarily lost. Another advantage is improved data privacy and security. Sensitive data can be processed locally, reducing the risk of exposure as it travels over the network. In healthcare, edge computing enables real-time monitoring and analysis of patient data, leading to faster diagnostics and more personalized treatments. In industrial settings, edge devices can analyze data from machinery to predict maintenance needs and prevent costly downtime. Edge computing is transforming industries by providing faster, more reliable, and secure data processing. It's a key enabler of the Internet of Things and the future of smart technologies. Reduced latency, enhanced reliability, improved security. These are the hallmarks of edge computing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of technology.